Hey guys, so this is just a quick video, and this is just in response to like a number of people's thoughts and ideas about AI. And for faculty, the big challenge is protecting consciousness of our students so that they're learning. And I think it's important. I think AI has some definite bonuses, but it also has some challenges. And when students are learning it's hard to create that practical method. So faculty have to balance a few things. But it's like, okay, if I'm doing written assignments, what are the challenges here and what can I do and how can I solve the problem? So let me show you what the artificial intelligence looks like, and then what I'll do is I'll actually show you the system that can kind of capture the information, but this is all in its infancy. It's a very interesting time frame. So right here, this is the artificial intelligence system itself. It's ChatGPT. And you can type in anything, give me an argument against using Ansoff growth matrix, right? And it will populate a result. It's currently thinking. And so while it's thinking, what it's doing is it's randomly building based on intelligence its content. And it's really, really interesting. You can see how it puts things together and how it builds its more generic messaging. And it's interesting when you play with the other system, and which I will do in a second. It's really intriguing. So it's currently building content. So while it's building this out of boredom, this is the article right here that talks about a Princeton student that built an app, and it's really, really cool. That's called GPT-0. Now, if you go to the GPT-0 website, so many people have been using it that you have to go to this GPT-0.me. So this GPT-0.me looks like this. I'm going to take out that other content, and I'm going to go to that freshly rendered content that I was going to for this. I'll take that content right there. I'll copy it. And it's a little finicky, but you drop the content in, and then you hit Control and Enter, and it might take a couple seconds, it might not. It's loading, and what it does is it analyzes the text, and it analyzes it for randomness and perplexity, because every human writer is going to have different variations of content and how they do it, and it's really intriguing as it does its run through. We can see the perplexity, which is actually quite high, which means it's too well put together, but it's an incomplete factor. So this whole thing has perplexity of 71. Most likely it was randomly generated. So we've got to click to get the GPT result. As it gets the result, we have to wait a few seconds because the whole entire system's thinking, and it's slow. It does take time because it's just going through its own math system. I think the developer's still building the databases, but you can see right here, there's the ChatGPT result. There's a high probability that this was used by AI. So again, I hope that kind of helps. I'm trying to deal with how to use AI, what that's going to look like, and I know many others are. Have a good day, guys.